Good morning. How are you today? Coming a little closer. Hi. Thanks for coming over to YouTube and watching this incredibly informative video about my Youology skin adventure. So, here I am, day 7, 6. I've stopped counting. After 3,
6.
Doesn't really matter. I'm doing it the whole month, so started on January 1st, whatever the day is. Here we are. I'm washing my face this morning. Really, at the moment, I'm just pre-wetting my face and getting all the gooberies out. And then I use a little bit of this beautiful. All right. I have to stop with the over-adjectifying every word. Okay, no more gratuitous adjectives. Here's the facial cleaner. Gonna wash my face, rub it in. Here we go. So, now that we're on YouTube, it's kind of sad because I can't get comments directly from you while I'm doing the video. But also noticed I point too much. Gotta stop pointing. Okay. So I can't get comments directly from you while I'm doing the video. The good thing is, when you watch the video, you are more than welcome to leave comments and I'll get back to you. Or Julie will. She's much better about it. It is her business. I get back to my clients kind of when I feel like it, which is not the way I should be. Sorry. Okay, here we go, rinsing off. Now do you notice there's no soap bubbles, nothing soapy about my face? But yesterday I got it in my eye, so I can attest it is a little bit bad for your orifices. Keep it on the epidermis, not inside your skin. And so easy to take off. You know, sometimes when you put some kind of cleanser on your face and it just feels slimy and you can never get it off and you're rinsing and rinsing and rinsing and rinsing. Yeah, I don't like those. Look at that. I did an extra couple little wipes just because OCD. I don't know. Just making sure. Now I'm going to pat dry, gentle, not rough. Peekaboo. I'm back. Okay. Next thing is the serum.
Do the toner. I gave you toner today.
Oops. We have toner. Okay. Here's step 4. It's really step 2, but it's an additional step to what I'm used to, so I'm saying it's step 4 that comes after step 1. Hope you follow that. It doesn't make sense. Okay, today I'm moving my body a little bit so I can square on maybe like 18 inches from your face, right in the middle so it goes over the whole thing. Is that rose?
No.
Lavender. No, it's grapefruit. I know. It's grapefruit, right?
It is grapefruit.
Yes. Has a very different smell. I know what rose smells like. I know what lavender smells like. This doesn't smell like what I think a grapefruit smells like, but it does smell very good. All right, toner. Readies your epidermis to be hydrated. And so the first hydrating layer is the serum. Little tiny bit. Notice I use one finger. I'm lotion phobic.
The fact that Susana's even doing this whole adventure is a huge step for her. Make sure to get your forehead, because that's a very wrinkly part.
Yeah, notice moving up, up, up with swift.
It doesn't need to be so swift.
Oh, the peanut gallery is all over me today. She is lots of critiques on my methodology. I know it doesn't have to be quick, but I was just saying, if you want a little face massage, brings the blood to the skin. I think that's not really what you want. Let me see over here. All right. Well, you know what? I would be really, really happy if these dark circles kind of went away. But I don't think it's happening. I think that's a job for, like, concealer. These have been here all my life. It's been a concern since I was 7. That's like 42 years. All right, last but not least, because somebody needs to use the bathroom, we have our lovely day cream. Another overused adjective. Beep, 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 neck, nose, mustache. Oh, I can do a mustache. And I really hope YouTube uses this for my thumbnail. All right, so off camera, I'm gonna rub this in and I'm gonna go and have a great day. And I hope you do as well. Thanks for joining.